We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love.
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing, everyone?
Yeah, how are you? I hope you're all
We're
well.
all right. So I hope you're all right. And we've been nominated by
By Paul from the
Off-Grid
Nomad.
Yeah.
Sorry, Paul. From Paul, the Off-Grid Nomad.
Because he used to be called something else, didn't he? And we got confused.
Yeah, something Overland.
Yeah.
Something. Yeah.
So,
Sorry, Paul.
Same one anyway.
Yeah. So, Off-Grid Nomad.
Yeah.
To do the 10 quarantine question challenge.
So
Here you go.
question number one.
Question number one. How many toilet rolls do we have at the moment?
Well, we bought 4 yesterday from the shop. I filled up 1 this morning. Sorry, this camera's getting really heavy. And we've got 2 left. So let's go for 6 3/4.
6
yeah.
3/4. Awesome. So question number 2. What has been the biggest change for us since lockdown?
Not been able to move, because really since we set off in the van, we've been moving almost every few days.
See, when we entered van life completely, so got rid of the house, we literally left there and set off to go to Europe, and then came back and stopped practically. So that's the biggest change, is that we can't
We've not been
move,
moving,
and it's the same as everybody else, I suppose. But it's the weird thing, because we haven't found our normal yet, so we don't know what
It's true
what
that
normal
really.
is. But yeah, so we can't move, I think, is one of the
Biggest things.
the biggest change. Yeah.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. We got love.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. Where are we currently parked?
We are currently parked in North Derbyshire in a little car park.
Yes. Pretty much.
Near what you would call
It's the start of the Peak District.
the
isn't it?
Peak Districts and the moors.
Yeah.
So that kind of area.
And
Quite
there's
nice.
so many wonderful walks on our doorstep. It's lovely.
Yep.
Yeah.
No complaints really.
No, not at all.
Apart from the fact we can't move.
Yeah. And apart from the fact that we chose the coldest day out of all the days to come
film
outside and
this.
film this, so yeah.
Mandy is quite cold right now, which is why she's using Cooper as a
Yes.
little
Hot
radiator.
water bottle for Koopy. Yeah.
Question number 4.
Question number 4. What have you gone without recently?
I mean, is that supposed to be like real hardship? Like you've had to not do with something that you really need, or I don't know. I don't feel like we've gone without anything.
I mean, the thing I can say
That's been a
most
problem.
is maybe the heating.
Oh,
And
right,
that's
okay.
purely because we
Yeah.
don't want to go out and get LPG all the time.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to lose the parking spot we've got,
Yeah.
and obviously you get funny looks off people.
Yeah,
well,
as you're
we're
driving
still getting
around
funny
and
looks
that.
off people, so
Yeah.
we're trying to eke out and make that LPG last as long as possible.
Yeah, so we are using the heating sparingly, aren't
Yeah,
we? So
yeah. So there is that. Maybe that's one of the things that we've gone without. But we're eating as we normally would do. We've not suffered from any
No?
any issues with that. You know, thankfully with the new van we've got loads of space. So yeah, we're fine.
'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love.
Question number 5.
Number 5, Cooper.
What are we most grateful for?
We are most grateful for our health
And the health of our friends and family.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I think that nothing more needs to be said.
No.
Everyone we know is healthy, and couldn't be any more grateful for that. Question number 6.
Number 6.
What do we miss the most?
Travelling.
Travelling.
Travelling and seeing our
people.
friends.
Yeah. our friends
human
and family.
interaction cannot be something that you can be deprived of for too long. I mean, even prisoners get human interaction.
Yeah, they get once a week stuff, don't they, where people
Yeah.
can come in. They don't have to stand 2 feet, well, they might have to stand
Well,
2 metres apart.
Yeah. But no, that's the only thing really. The inability to see your mates, go and see friends and family.
We miss our parents
hugs,
mostly, because even if we
parents,
could go, if
yeah.
they relaxed the rules, we probably still couldn't go and see them anyway. So yeah.
Yeah.
Question number 7.
7.
How long has it been since we've been at a campsite?
Well, actually, this is our 8th or 9th week of lockdown, because we kind of came here a week before it was actual lockdown.
Yeah.
So I think we're in our 9th week of being here, and we left a campsite with Daz, Urban Motorhome.
So
We went to see parents for a
Yeah.
few days, and then we came here. So it would have been.
it was the 16th of March when we got to there,
Was it?
because it was the day we picked the van up.
It was, yeah.
So
So,
yeah.
yeah. There we
So
go.
that's that. That was the last time.
You know we met for a reason, but you tried to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight.
Question number 8.
Question number 8.
What's our favourite quarantine food?
It's a difficult one, that one, because we actually can't really complain about the choice of food.
No.
I have to say, you know, this is all to do with Mandy's excellent cooking skills. I haven't cooked anything, so
You never do, so, you know. You're good at getting, like, snacks out
yeah,
and drinks and
that.
things. That's
Cheers.
good. Yeah. My favourite quarantine, I mean, I do love that veggie chilli.
Oh yeah, the chili's
That's
alright.
really
yeah.
nice, the way we build it all up.
Yeah, I
That's
like
a good
that one.
comfort food, nice.
So it's naked mince, isn't
yeah.
it?
And then all the things too. We don't do kidney beans though, so
No.
we do baked beans.
Baked beans, and then your wedges.
And I make my own wedges in the frying pan.
Yep.
And then we build it all up, so it's potato wedges, chili, crunched up nachos and cheese sauce.
Yeah.
It's epic.
And sometimes grated cheese on top.
Yeah. There's vegetables in it. There's beans and onion
Yeah.
and pepper.
Oh, okay.
So there's vegetables in it. It's
Yeah.
good.
'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got
Question number 9.
Question number 9.
How are we exercising and doing workouts?
Well, Mandy did yoga for a couple of days until the weather got bad.
Cheeky. But we were watching Kirsty on Boondockers do their question challenge, and she said the same thing. You can get into a nice thing, and then as soon as the weather goes and you can't do it, it's like,
We try and take Coop out for as long as possible.
On his
'Cause-
one walk, we literally walk our butts off for that
Yeah, we
one
figured
walk.
that there wasn't a time scale on that one time out a day.
Yeah.
So sometimes we took him out for a couple of hours.
Yeah, I mean, on average, we're getting about 6 or 7 kilometre walks in a day, because apart from that, he's just literally let out to the tiny little patch of grass next to the
Yeah.
van for toiletries.
Today we got our bikes,
Yes.
so we went out on a bike ride today to just give them a bit of a test.
Which was quite fortuitous, really, considering they arrived on the day that we could do more than one exercise
It
a day.
was.
So that's worked out quite well.
Yeah.
So yeah, we went out this morning on the bikes and gave them a good run out. It's good. And now we're out again, as you can see, with the Coopster. So yeah, basically walking, and we will be adding.
Oh yeah, loads more
riding
bike
into
sort
it.
of time now. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Right, so question number 10.
Question number 10, and this isn't actually a question.
Yeah, who are you challenging next?
Yeah. Everyone seems to have been challenged. We're quite late to this for several
Various
reasons.
Yeah.
And I think everyone's done it. So we're going to challenge anyone that hasn't done it.
Yeah,
So if you want to take up the challenge, please go ahead and do
go
so.
for it. Absolutely. Oh, the sun's come out now. We're finished. Look at that.
Yay. Oh, it's warm. Oh,
Should we stay
yeah.
here for a bit?
Yeah,
I
why
think I'm
not?
starting rabbit poo though.
Well, okay then. It's no difference really, is it? Ah, dear. So, from a very sunny Derbyshire now.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
You guys take care. Hope you're all safe and well, and now able to enjoy your unlimited exercise.
Yes, and maybe get into move your van a little bit
Yeah.
if you so wish.
Yeah, we're kind of like probably going to wait a week or so, aren't we, on that regard,
Yeah.
to see what it is that people are seeing as acceptable movement. Because we certainly don't want to take the van to the beach because everyone's going to be there. But
And we figured that if we do plan to do anything, it'd be nice to do it without having to put the word technically in front of why. So if we can do it and it just be okay, then that's the best thing for us.
Because technically you're supposed to go and then come back home.
Yeah, but we already are home, so we don't know how that works. So we're gonna wait a little bit.
Yeah.
We've got plenty to do around here now. We've got the bikes now anyway. So yeah, good stuff.
Right then, catch you later. Take care.
Bye.